In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Excel to Outlook. We will take a contact list in Excel and bring it into Outlook contacts using a CSV file as the bridge. First, open Excel. If Excel is already running, switch to a blank workbook so you can see a clean grid of cells. On screen, you should see column letters across the top and row numbers down the left. That grid is where the contact list will live. Now create your contact list. Use one column for each type of information. In the first row, type your headers. For example, first name in column A, last name in column B, email address in column C, phone number in column D, and company in column E. These headers matter because Outlook uses them to match each piece of data to the right field. Below each header, fill in one contact per row. A quick tip, keep email addresses clean with no spaces before or after, because extra spaces can stop Outlook from reading them. Once your list looks complete, click File, then Save As. This moves you away from editing and into the saving screen. You will see options to choose where you want to store the file, and a box for the file name. Leave the name meaningful so you can recognize it later inside Outlook. From there, choose CSV UTF-8, delimited, as the file type. This tells Excel to save your workbook as plain text where each column is separated by a comma. The UTF-8 part controls how characters are stored. It keeps accented letters and non-English characters from breaking when Outlook reads the file. Save the file. When you click Save, Excel may warn you that some features are not supported in CSV format. That message is normal because CSV files do not store colors, formulas, or multiple sheets. Confirm that you want to keep using this format. After that, your contact list is now in a CSV file that Outlook understands. Next, open Outlook. When Outlook starts, you will see the main window with your email view by default, usually the inbox with messages listed in the center. We are going to move away from Mail and into the People area so the contacts can be imported. Go to People or Contacts. Depending on your Outlook layout, you might click the People icon at the bottom or choose Contacts from a view switcher. When you are in the right place, the main panel will show existing contacts or a blank list if you have none yet. Select Manage Contacts, then Import Contacts. This opens an import screen dedicated to CSV files. Outlook is now waiting for you to point it to the file you saved from Excel. If you do not see Import Contacts immediately, look for a small menu labeled Manage Contacts and open it. Click Browse and select your CSV file. A file chooser window opens so you can navigate to the folder where you saved the CSV. Click on the file name, then Confirm. You should see the file name appear back in Outlook on the import screen. Finally, click Import. Outlook now reads each row of your CSV and creates or updates contacts. When it finishes, the People or Contacts view will refresh and you will see your Excel contacts listed by name. You have just turned an Excel contact list into real Outlook contacts that you can email and manage. If this walkthrough helped you get your Excel contacts into Outlook, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple how-tos like this.